So guys, welcome to React Fado Mission. So in this mission, it will be like 5-6 days, but I have to complete all of the React from this cohort. I've already done Node.js, so that is that. Let me see. See, like currently I completed it, but I have to do a project because every so here is a video. So see here when I complete this, I do like I myself make a project. So I will tell you what project I'm going to make. And I have completed Node.js basically. When I get to Tailwind, after that I will make two or three projects. That is when project Fado Mission will start. But firstly, we are in React until this. Okay. So firstly, I'm going to check my stream. Okay. So is it working or not? I don't know it's working or not, but I suppose it should be working. But let's see. So, don't know how to do this one. Like I know, but there's so many tabs that it's a bit confusing right here. Okay, how do I get back to I have to like learn some management, like this kind of management. This is so the reason why the thumbnail is kind of this because this is Aramid, so not do proper like formatting. How do I, so let me see if proper voice is. I have to like learn some management, like this kind of management. This is it's from starting. So guys, welcome to React. Now I'm only going for a mission. So in this mission, it will be like 5-6 days, but I have to complete all of the React from this cohort. I've already done Node.js, so that is that. Let me see. See, like currently I completed it, but I have to do a project because every so here is a video. So see here when I complete this, I do like I myself make a project. So I will tell you what project I'm going to make. So whenever someone in my friend is going to talk, I have to remove this mic. I suppose my voice quality is not great because I'm not using a mic, but this should be good enough to explain what I'm doing currently. Uh, so and I'm also like really. So this is what I want to do. So let's start it. Okay, and the user list and okay. So see what we are going to make in React for the people because I have not like started this live streaming thing when I got started in the cohort. But let me tell you one thing: I have completed Node.js. The backend is over. Now I'm doing React. After that, TypeScript and this comes in Next.js and many other things, Prisma. But I am not going to learn that because my current goal is to open a startup, and to do that what I have to do is that I'm current my current goal is to like complete this tailswind part till tailswind and make lots of projects. After that I can see that if I wanted to like learn more. But so currently this is what I will do. After that the TypeScript just makes it more secure, but the project you're going to make, everything you need to make your project is in this. From this to this is what you need to essentially make your first project. And you know it's 10:30 and I'm really sleepy, that's why like I'm stuttering a lot, but what can I do? Okay, so we will start. And and one of the main reason I am like let me just oh, So we on today I'm just going to make a project. Okay, so let me firstly add that time. And one of the main reasons that I'm streaming is because of the Feynman technique. Because when you teach someone something, you yourself then understand it better, and the charge is going low. So I will cut it short for some time. Like sometimes this not responsive. Um, this focus. Okay. No. Why isn't I also thought why is not showing up, but now I know the reason. And I don't know why this is like. I don't know why this is like so laggy. I suppose it was a live. Live is not taking that much. Like there's still like 20%, 10% left. It's not that much, and it's not that memory. 30% left and 60. See, this is not that bad. This application is bad. Why is it that timer working? See, so this is so let us start. Okay, let me just go to Xcode real quickly and tell you about the project and what are the things that I'm going to use in this project from the videos that I have learned. And if the video quality is not that great, because if I like upgrade the video quality, it will lag a lot, then I will not able to like do coding, which is my main thing. So that is that. So today we're going to implement lists and keys, and we're also going to use effect. Okay, so the project is that I will have some tabs. Okay, the tabs are input, where I will input my subject, work, and to do. And in the to dos, all of the things will be rendered that I have not done, and the subject based to dos that I have not done will be rendered in the third tab. So let's get started. Firstly, I will not use this because I will use another like project. So uh, be fed up, bro. Like night, I don't know. I will complete the project right now. It's not that big of a project, but I need sleep. But today, the reason I did coding so late because I needed to set up all of this live stream stuff. So that's why. Because it just doesn't not take that much time after to, and I'm not going to talk so much after that. Okay, but like the starting stream, so I needed to talk a bit, but now I'll not talk. Okay, so now let's start coding. I don't know why, but NPM is not working. I need to troubleshoot it. I get so fed up when this happens. Now troubleshooting time. So now it's troubleshooting time, so I can just talk to you while troubleshooting this error. I'm really good over ChatGPT for this troubleshooting. I'm so fed up with this guy, bro. Why is it NPM not running? What is this, bro? Chat GPT. It is showing that I cannot choose the NPM, but I have downloaded the node. It says that it is disabled. Bro. Uh, uh, Guys, I don't know if I have want to show you, like, I don't know how, but I think you can hack if my IP gets leaked or MAC address gets leaked. So, oh yeah, I forgot. Sorry, the it bans it. So, like, let me tell you what error happened. The PowerShell said we will not let you. So, the PowerShell said we will not let you use npm. Okay, we will not let you use npm, but now I'll use git bash. Okay, git bash. So yeah, forgot about it. So what I will do is so simple. I will open this. See, it's laggy. See, it's lagging. uh, Fed up when it lags. It's not always laggy, but it's like left click button is not that great, so that's why. Now, so see, we'll do more options and we'll go open with code, because when you do the like straight from the git bash, it does not work correctly. So in here now I will go to terminal, new terminal, and in here I will do git bash. Right, git bash. So in here now it works. I don't know why, but after troubleshooting I found this. And if I wanted to like get over the PowerShell policy, after that I will say, oh, I have to complete the PowerShell policy. So now like change the PowerShell policy. So now like I am using a bandage fix, but after the time I will like troubleshoot it. So npm I should go create latest, no, height dash latest. Now it works. See, I don't know why it happened like that, but it happened. So we'll do now school work management and software. Can give this name. Package name. Put it the same. Uh, School mm, management. Okay. So React and yes. Now it finally works. What I will do is cd this. I can paste this. So guys, this is some kind of troubleshooting that you have to do as a programmer, because things do pretty quickly. Why is it working like management software? Guys, I'm talking to you currently, but when I'm recording, I will not talk to you because it will decrease my productivity. But I will show you how I do it, so you can see it. Da, 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 da. Back to being Bravo. Put mm, why isn't it working? Put dot shallow, but it's not. I'm so fed up with this guy. Mm, so now we will go in here and I will select. And now I do the manual way. Control this week time management software. Let's go. Now we get a starting round. So we will do this. Firstly, we remove the strict mode because I don't like the strict mode. Okay, let's remove this boilerplate. Ram 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 ram. Mom. Like I will get a hang of creating projects quickly. It took some time, so let's create now. Finally works. Let's go. Whew, guys, let's go. So let's go to our original plan and let me make you understand how I'm going to do this, as this is my main reason why I started. So tabs, what we will do with tabs is there will be input, and I'm using like the variables in here to store that information, but ideally with you have to do it to like MongoDB. I have installed, but I don't know how to connect like React with the backend currently, but I will learn it. So this is the input. We have to first make the input tab. Okay, so we'll do a button. Okay, do a, so we'll do a div, and guys, this all of the coding is like this problem solving, so it takes time. Button and button and send. Uh, button, button. So let me find the most optimal way to solve this problem. If I have to, there are tabs. Okay, tabs in which I click on, so like I can have component of tabs, and it takes an argument of the function, and then I can put the function that can be added to the component. Like I can make it, like I can make a component in the component and sleep like at 11. So I can make component of tabs, and in that I will pass like the function, and then that function will use a renderer. Uh, that function will then put onto the second component, this component, input component. Okay, and I will use use state. Ah, great. So this is what I will firstly do. Firstly, I will make a use state. Okay, like you have to do this troubleshooting first of all. Okay, also use effect. Okay, guys. Uh, now I will not talk and just do coding. Okay, now the mic will be off. Guys, and the way the JSX and distinguishes between HTML tags and functions is the capital, first capital letter. So that is why you have to do this. Okay. I will use a component to render like all of the input. The input values you will set A will be done in a component. Okay. So guys, this is a scheme, okay? So guys, so when you have to learn something new, you go to ChatGPT and write what you want to do. So I want to learn like how to select the value of input in React. So we'll write it down. So this is how you learn essentially without using these courses, because you will not always have these courses when you're building big applications. So you have to learn, this is an important skill to learn. So guys, let me make you understand what he's saying. So he's saying like here we made a use state component, and after that we set a value and set a value. Okay, when that happens, we set the value of this use state will be the value here. Okay, and when it changes, so e means here event. Okay, when an event occurs, okay, then it sets the value. Set value is this function here, and e dot target means this input value and its value. So we set this value to this. Okay, we it's in short a function that is used to set it this variable's value. So now let's code. What happened here was it thought it was a variable. We had to tell them that it's a string. Compiler doesn't have the brain. Uh, let's see. Again, is it the same problem? Input is not defined. The, uh, it should work. And, okay, I did the road is skeleton. That should work. Yeah, see. Boom. And boom, boom. Uh, yeah, this is good, but yes. Uh, so we are looking at something that like this is good. We are looking at something that aligns them. Flex. We are looking at. I don't think there is flex. Yes. Uh, there is a flex. So, um, somewhere here there is a flex box. See, we'll remove this flex. Okay, and now it should not appear. Great. Now it's great. This is how it should appear, and all of the CSS is good. Okay, props dot name. It's saying props dot name. It shouldn't say that. Da. So props dot name, yeah, but so it's two problem here. Firstly, it should say to do this. And I should work. Yeah. And for troubleshooting, what I will do is I will look at the console. After 5 minutes, I will sleep. Okay, I will sleep because I have to go tomorrow. It's important. So after that, I will sleep. But firstly, what I'll do is I will look at the console. Is working. Skeleton is working. Skeleton is working. Gets the job done, not the correct name, but mm, let's see. Yes, skeleton is working. Oh, 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 oh. Now, try return. Write your subject. Why doesn't it work? Let me see what doesn't work. So to work. Okay, no, isn't it working? Drops. Troubleshoot it. Alright. What time sleepy right now? It's working great. Great enough. I what is at can I just do an H1 and see? Turn on H1. See, and do now it's not working. Working it, but why? It is not working. Like it's getting into the function, but then return. If uh, it should work, although it's not. Mm, it should not work. I'm doing something wrong here. Probably doing something very very wrong. That's okay. We'll do it tomorrow. I can easily do it tomorrow, but then it will be like 2 minutes. And when it takes 2 minutes, I will like complete it. Like I will just complete it. I will conclude the screen part of that. I will tomorrow. I will like do the coding, and we have this mission is React Fado Mission. So today was just the beginning. All of this. Why isn't it working? Input skeleton. Use it. Dependence variable. Which again. Other chain. That we have to the chat GPT and he will tell us why it is not working. Mm. So prompts will be monitor it. Chat GPT. it's not rendered in the skeleton, not other forms of mm, it's clicking. Okay, if we define input skeleton and that, but never include the image assets, we have to call the function evaluating that one anything is one. Oh, uh, one. Let's let me do something. I can do conditional rendering. I can do conditional. I can do conditional rendering. Uh, Let me see. I have to do nothing. And now it's not good. And let's see the big is the diamond. In the pattern. That that's when you should not use the components. Now I am in a dilemma. Okay, turn the button. Can also like this is what is wrong with this. Is that I have this conditional rendering. How do I say to them and it's click? Da, 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 da. So what I can make another function that is called that function is only looking like I need it to give us some kind of code for statement. It will not give me a code for statement apps. Da, 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 then what I will do is um, should I do it const. Yeah, I know obviously, but let me just this this is the easy bit. Current tab set current null This is today for today, and I will complete all of the other things tomorrow. So this is all for me today, as I am doing it in the night and I'm really sleepy, and like it took lots of time to configure this setting, download OBS, configure it, and lots of other things. So this was all from today. And tomorrow, inshallah, we will complete this project. Okay, this is an easy project. So, but if I did DOM, it will be easy. But I'm doing React. It's not that easy for me because I'm just like 2 days before I learned React, so it's not that easy for me. But inshallah, I will complete it. So, bye.